Hello, dear friends. We'll see uh, numericals on thin cylinder in this lecture. In last lecture, we have seen about thin cylinders. What is meant by thin cylinder? What is meant by thick cylinder? Difference between these two, that is criteria for classification of cylinders, and their formulas to how to find out circumferential stress, longitudinal stress, and maximum stress induced in thin cylinder. So let's in this video we'll see the numericals on thin cylinder. So numerical number 1, see here, that is a cylindrical sail 3 meter long, 1 meter in diameter, and is subjected to an internal pressure of 1 Newton per mm square. Okay. If the thickness of sail is 20 mm, find the circumferential and longitudinal stresses. So we have to find out circumferential and longitudinal stresses, right? So let's first we will see given. What is given? Given, that is length is given here in meter, that is we will convert it into millimeter, that is 300 millimeter. Diameter D 1 meter, that is 1000 mm. P is given, pressure, that is 1 Newton per mm square. Thickness is given, that is 20 mm. So from this we have to find out sigma C and sigma L, right? So sigma C, we know that sigma C is equal to PD upon 2T. So put the values, that is P equals to 1, D diameter, that is here given, that is 1000 mm here. Then T thickness is given, so we have substituted here 20. So sigma C will get 25 Newton per mm square. Okay. Okay. So again we'll find out longitudinal stress. So longitudinal stress, sigma L is equal to PD upon 4T. So PD upon 4T, that is P is again 1, diameter is 1000, and thickness is 20. So sigma L is equal to PD upon 4T, that is equals to 12.5 Newton per mm square. As in last lecture we have seen, sigma L is equal to sigma C upon 2, that is sigma L is equal to sigma C by 2. So see here, sigma L is half of sigma C, that is sigma C is 25, sigma L is 12.5 Newton per mm square. So what is the unit of stress? Newton per mm square. So these are circumferential stress sigma C, and this is longitudinal stress sigma L. So समझले सगळ्यांना? ठीक आहे. Then we'll see next numerical. Again very simple numericals they are asking on this. So just remember the formulas. We'll solve all types of numericals, all types of parameters, because C in this sigma C, sigma L or tau max. So in that we have to find out, sometimes they may ask to find out thickness, sometimes they may ask to find out diameter or stresses sigma C, sigma L or tau max. Okay. So we'll see next numerical, that is a thin cylindrical sail of 400 mm diameter is to be designed for an internal pressure of 2.4 Newton per mm square. Find the thickness of cell if maximum permissible tensile stress of cell material is 50 Newton per mm square. Okay, so we have to find out thickness. काय विचारलं आपल्याला त्यांनी? That is thickness of cell. So we know that sigma c equals to PD upon 2T or sigma L equals to PD upon 4T. But here circumferential stress is given. Sigma c is given. Remember sigma c, so we have to use this formula. Sigma c equals to PD upon 4T. So put here sigma c equals to 50. P, that is 2.4 Newton per mm square. So put here 2.4. Diameter is given, that is 400 mm. Thickness T we have to find out. So substitute all values, will get thickness T is equal to 9.6 millimeter. Okay, लक्षात आलं इथपर्यंत सगळ्यांच्या? सी काय विचारले त्यांनी आपल्याला? फाइंड आउट थिकनेस. ओके, सो आपल्याला काय करायचं? थिकनेस फाइंड आउट करायचे. तर थिकनेस फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी दिलेले क्वांटिटीज काय आहेत, कोणता फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला यूज करायचा हे लक्षात आलं पाहिजे. लक्षात आलं सगळ्यांच्या? ठीक आहे. सो अगेन विल फाइंड आउट, विल सॉल्व नेक्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल, that is see a cylinder of internal diameter 2.5 meter and of thickness 50 mm contains a gas if the tensile stress in the material is not to exceed 80 Newton per mm square. If the tensile stress in the material is not to exceed 80 Newton per mm square. So determine the internal pressure of the gas. So in this numerical we have to find out internal pressure, that is P. So see solution. So given diameter is given 2.5 meter, we will convert it into millimeter, that is it is multiplied by 1000. So we will get 2500 millimeter. Thickness is given, T is 50 mm, as maximum permissible stress should be equal to circumferential stress. ठीक है, therefore sigma c equals to 80 Newton per mm square. So we have to find out value of P. So sigma c equals to PD upon 2T. So sigma c 80 P into diameter 2500 and thickness is 50. So we will get pressure. So pressure, that is 3.2 Newton per mm square. So we will get pressure 3.2 Newton per mm square. लक्षात आलं सगळ्यांच्या? ठीक आहे. So in this way we have to find out different quantities. Sometimes they may ask thickness, sometimes they may ask sigma c, sigma L, sometimes they may ask pressure. So we must remember what is given and what is to find out. Okay, so next numerical we will see a thin cylinder of internal diameter 1.25 meter contains a fluid at an internal pressure of 2 Newton per mm square. Determine the maximum thickness of the cylinder if, so first, circumferential stress is not to exceed 45 Newton per mm square. Second, the longitudinal stress is not to exceed 30 Newton per mm square. So read the numerical. So what is given in this? We have to find out thickness for first condition, that is circumferential stress is not to exceed 45 Newton per mm square, and for second condition the longitudinal stress is not to exceed 30 Newton per mm square. Again very simple. So given diameter is given 1.25 meter, so convert it into as usual mm. Pressure is given, so sigma C is given 45 Newton per mm square, sigma L is given 30 Newton per mm square. So we have to find out T. So first, considering circumferential stress, that is 45 Newton per mm square, so we will get thickness. So sigma C is equal to, you know that, PD upon 2T. So put sigma C equals to 45, P 2 D 1250, and from this we will find out thickness. So T is equals to 27.77 millimeter. Okay. So next, by considering longitudinal stress, that is sigma L. लक्षात येते. So sigma L. So sigma L is equal to PD upon 40. So 30, that is 2 P, value of pressure is 2, diameter again 1250. So sigma L is given 30. So put this value in this above equation, we will get thickness T is equals to 20.83 mm. So we have two values of thickness, that is first one 27.77 mm and second 20.83 mm. So we have to suggest safe value of thickness is maximum value of above 2. That is, we are if we have to design, so we will always prefer a maximum value of thickness. लक्षात येते, to keep induced stresses below the limiting stresses. So लक्षात घ्या, जेवढी जास्त थिकनेस असेल तेवढी त्याची स्ट्रेस रेजिस्टिंग कॅपॅसिटी काय असणार आहे, जास्त असणार आहे. सो सेफ व्हॅल्यू ऑफ थिकनेस इज मॅक्सिमम ऑफ अबोव दिस टू व्हॅल्यूज. लक्षात येते सगळ्यांच्या? ठीक आहे, इथपर्यंत सगळ्यांना समजलं असेल. देन नेक्स्ट, see this numerical again. So next we will see efficiency of joints. Okay, so efficiency of joints, see, it is not possible to manufacture a cylinder without joints. Okay, because they are very larger in their dimensions, that is their diameter, their length. So it is not possible to manufacture cylinder without joints. जैसे कि if you have seen LPG cylinder, so it has also a joint. See, that is along its circumference there is a joint. So joint is given like this, circumferential joint, and second is longitudinal joint like this. So we have to see efficiency. So efficiency of joints. So because if the joint fails, so we are not able to, or cylinder is not able to take any type of stress. That is, it may be a circumferential stress or it may be a uh, longitudinal stress. Okay, so efficiency of joint, the cylindrical shell, it may be a boiler, it may be a chimney, or it may be a other types. So they are made up of two types of riveted joints, namely circumferential joint and second longitudinal joints. Due to the holes made for rivets, the stresses developed in the cell are higher. So we have to check the efficiency. So if NL is the efficiency of longitudinal joint, okay, and N suffix C is the efficiency of circumferential joint. So see, circumferential stress sigma C equals to PD upon 2T into NL, that is, and sigma L is PD upon 4T divided by PD upon 4T into NC. So we have to get the efficiency of joint. Okay. So we'll see numericals on this type, that is, up to this we have seen numericals on first type. So by considering or by taking efficiency of joints in account, we'll see some numericals. So see, first numerical, see this, a boiler cell is to be made of plates 12 mm thick and is to withstand a steam pressure of 2 Newton per mm square. The efficiency of longitudinal joint and circumferential joints are 75% and 35%. See, longitudinal joints efficiency 75% and circumferential joints efficiency 35%. If tensile stress in the plating should not exceed 100 Newton per mm square, find the maximum permissible diameter. So see here what is given. So we'll see, given T is given, thickness, that is 12 mm, pressure is given 2 Newton per mm square, efficiency of for longitudinal, that is 75%, so 75 divided by 100 will get 0.75. Similarly, efficiency of circumferential stress, that is 35%, so 0.35. So limiting stress is given, that is 100 Newton per mm square. So we have to find out maximum permissible diameter for cylinder. Okay, so maximum permissible diameter we have to find out. So taking limiting stresses, tensile stresses, that is circumferential stresses. Okay, so sigma C equals to PD upon 2T into L. So this is, so we'll get diameter D is equals to 900 mm. Second, taking limiting tensile stress equals to longitudinal stress. First one we have equated to circumferential stress. So in this time we will equate to longitudinal stress. So sigma L, PD upon 4T and C. So we will get diameter D is, yes, diameter D is 480 mm. So From this we have to find out maximum permissible diameter. So is minimum of above 2, maximum permissible विचारले त्यांनी, एक लक्षात घ्या. Not to find out maximum diameter. So maximum is maximum permissible, जास्तीत जास्त परमिट किती करू शकतो. ठीक आहे, तर ह्या दोन्ही स्ट्रेसेसमधली जी काही मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू असेल तेवढी आपण परमिट करू शकतो. ग्रेटर नाही विचारलं त्यांनी आपल्याला, काय विचारलं आहे, मॅक्सिमम व्हॅल्यू. सो 840 mm इज मॅक्सिमम व्हॅल्यू. सो ॲज दिस विल कीप टेन्साईल स्ट्रेसेस दॅट इज लेस दॅन 100 Nm/mm². ओके, इथपर्यंत लक्षात आलं असेल सगळ्यांच्या. सो विल सी नेक्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल. See, a boiler cell is to be made of 15 mm thick plate having limiting tensile stress of 120 MN/m². If the efficiency of longitudinal and circumferential joints are 70% and 30% respectively, determine first the maximum permissible diameter of the cell for an internal pressure of 2 MN/m². Second, permissible intensity of internal pressure when the cell diameter is 1.5 meter. So given thickness, limiting tensile stress is given, efficiency of longitudinal stress is given, longitudinal joint is given, and circumferential joint is given. So find out diameter. If P is equals to 2 Nm/mm², find P if D is 1.5 meters. याच्यामध्ये लक्षात घ्या, सुरुवातीला डायमीटर विचारला आहे, प्रेशर दिलं आहे. सेकंड टाइम प्रेशर विचारलं आहे, डायमीटर दिलं आहे. ठीक आहे. सो टेकिंग लिमिटिंग टेन्साईल स्ट्रेस इज इक्वल टू सर्कम्फरन्शियल स्ट्रेस. विल टेक फर्स्ट circumferential stress is limiting tensile stress. So 120 Newton. So sigma C 120. Then substitute the values of P, T and NL. So we'll get diameter D is equals to 1260 mm. Okay, लक्षात आलं सगळ्यांच्या. सो सेकंड, taking limiting tensile stress longitudinal equals to longitudinal stress, that is 120 Nm/mm². ठीक है. So sigma L is equal to PD/40 into NC. So we'll get 120. sigma L ची व्हॅल्यू पुट करा. So we'll get diameter D, that is 1080. After the solving this, we will get this value. So maximum permissible diameter is minimum of above 2. लक्षात घ्या, जसं आपण मिनिमम म्हणजे मॅक्सिमम परमिसिबल किती असेल तो या दोन्हीपैकी मिनिमम. आपल्याला मॅक्सिमम डायमीटर फाइंड आउट कर म्हणून विचारले का, नाही, परमिसिबल डायमीटर विचारलं. सो द मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू इज 1080 mm. सो दॅट इज आवर आन्सर. ठीक आहे. आता क्रॉस चेक करा. इफ वी टेक D इज इक्वल टू 1260, जर समजा आपण मॅक्सिमम व्हॅल्यू हे घेतली तर लॉन्जिट्युडिनल स्ट्रेस किती होणार आहे, तो किती होणार आहे, C 140. ठीक आहे, विच इज ग्रेटर दॅन द लिमिटिंग स्ट्रेस. हा सेफ नाही राहणार. ठीक आहे, म्हणून आपण काय व्हॅल्यू घेतली, 1080. लक्षात येत आहे का घेतली हे लक्षात येत आहे. ओके. सो टू फाइंड प्रेशर इफ D इज गिवन, त्याच्यामध्ये डायमीटर दिलेलं असताना आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचे, प्रेशर फाइंड आउट करायचे. ओके. सो टेकिंग लिमिटिंग टेन्साईल स्ट्रेस इज इक्वल टू सर्कम्फरन्शियल स्ट्रेस 120. सो सिग्मा C च्या ठिकाणी 120 पुट करा. ठीक आहे. So PD upon 2T into efficiency of longitudinal joints. So put here. So we'll get this. Okay. Second, taking limiting tensile stress, that is equal to 120. So we'll get values of P, that is first value we'll get this one, and second value we'll get 1.44. First value how much we'll get 1.68 and second one 1.44. So if we have to take permissible values, so maximum permissible diameter is minimum of above 2, that is P is equals to 1.44 Newton per mm square, as this will keep tensile stress less than 120. If we take the value of P is 1.68, so we will get sigma L is equal to 140 Newton per mm square. So which is greater than limiting tensile stress 120. So it is not safe. लक्षात येते सगळ्यांच्या. So इथपर्यंत सगळ्यांना न्यूमरिक लक्षात आलं. ठीक आहे, तर आज आपण इथेच थांबूयात. सो इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर विल सी change in dimensions of thin cylindrical cell due to internal pressure. ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू.